We're Team Innovations, and this is our final presentation. I'm Ren.
I'm Taylor.
I'm Crystal.
And I'm Arlene.
Our product idea was developed to address the need for optimizing organization, providing personalization while ensuring simplification. What you see here is our sunflower model, which visually represents our business plan. The universal ID itself will eliminate the need to keep a multitude of cards in a customer's wallet. Basically, the prototype of a universal ID system centers on a regular 85 by 54 millimeter device, the size of an average credit card. It will hold details from Social Security and birth certificates to health and auto insurance identification information, making transactions extremely convenient for customers.
Based on our market sizing, we categorized our key customers by our 3 age brackets. First is Sarah, who is a college student at ASU who represents the 18 to 24-year-old category. We would like to interest her because she is the younger generation in our society and would appreciate the new technological aspects of our product. Our second key customer we would like to target is someone who is in their middle age stage of life who has a foundation and children. He would appreciate this product because it simplifies and organizes his wallet and important documents. Lastly, for the third key customer, we wanted to target a celebrity because he would help market and advertise our product. Here is the positioning statement and differentiation statement. For the average person living in the modern world, the amount of cards that are constantly carried around day to day can be completely overwhelming. But by simply scanning and uploading their cards onto the Universal ID card, they can organize themselves in a hurry.
To define our product, we plan to provide the following features. Diversity is the most important. As stated previously, enabling the consumer to use one device to access different types of information instantaneously is key. The storage system, size of device, screen display, and card security are also features that we plan to offer, as seen in our prototype schematic.
The user interface is pictured on the front view of the card. This would be a touchscreen, giving the consumer the opportunity to flip through their information cards much like a book. Notice that there will be a menu commands on the bottom left-hand corner, including the forward, back, and home buttons. Future developments may include MP3 support, grouping, information, and etc.
On the back side of the card, there is a magnetic strip as well as a fingerprint recognition device. Notice that the fingerprint device will be slightly thicker than the card itself. We are considering holding our information storage in this location.
The technology necessary to make our product include, first, a magnetic strip or microchip used to access the card information. Other necessary technologies include scanning capability and operating system.
Shown in this slide is our product data sheet. We are currently in the conceptual design phase of our product, the Universal Identification Card. The feature areas that we hope to focus on include efficiency, safety, service, simplification, personalization. These areas became the 5 factors in our dimensional competitive analysis report. In the reevaluation of our product market, our design team has generated the following list of consumers and affiliated competitors. Due to our wide-ranging consumers, we split up the analysis into 3 different studies. As you can see, we had different competitors for different customer markets. Tables 1 through 3 shows a different numerical analysis that was done to create each dimensional competition analysis chart. Each competitor was rated for each factor on a scale of 1 through 10, 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. Each factor was then weighted for each consumer. This is due to the different demands of each customer base. Finally, the factor weight was multiplied by the factor rank, and this gave us our values for each point. Overall, for the commercialized companies and the U.S. citizens, Team Innovations came out on top. However, for the government defense companies, Universal ID Systems came out on top. This is due to the fact that their customer market is only for the government defense companies. Their services and products are focused on that market. The competitive graphic is represented in this slide. Notice the trends for each competition. In general, our product has the highest average. Team Innovations Universal ID is represented in green. It has the highest average value to uniqueness ratio. Symantec has the lowest uniqueness ratio, but is comparable to our product's value to customer averages. The Universal ID System product is consumer-based. There's no application for U.S. citizens and commercialized companies. This is why their value to consumer averages are so low for those two customer bases. Their system, however, is incredibly detailed and developed. This is why their uniqueness factor is extremely high.
Our whole product consists of a simple, powerful, secure, compact device with an intuitive interface and expandable storage space. The value is created by the product supplier in this case. Although the parts suppliers provide the raw materials, use of the materials is key. Therefore, most important players here will be the big retailers.
In order to accomplish this goal, we have created a product that consists of the following basic elements: a security system, storage system, operating system, and identification system. As you can see in this product functional block diagram and product packaging network diagram, we have designed the Universal ID card to first and foremost satisfy the general needs of our customer. As a part of the Integrated Product Development System process, or IPDS process, we have done extensive market sizing studies. Our target market is the following age brackets as shown in the first table. Using this study, we were able to allocate funds necessary to making this product technologically and commercially viable. In light of our company vision and priorities, the following cost estimates for manufacturing were produced. As you can see at this point, research and development is a priority. This is due to our determination to provide good products and quality services to our customers. Also note that a substantial amount of funding is allocated towards marketing. We believe that initial sales will heavily depend on marketing, and it may be a bit naive, but we also believe that a good product will sell. We just need to get the customers to try it. Our sales cycle has two steps, an initial B2B pipeline and a final B2C pipeline. In terms of initial customers, we plan to first target key government defense companies and our end distributors. For example, Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Macy's, and Sears. We will have these, quote, getting off the beach companies sample and hopefully invest in our identification system that is catered towards their specific business needs. Once the initial customers invest, we will change them into intermediaries to our final product, the Universal ID card. This end, or new customers, will be the public. Using the already formed network of product distribution customers, we will sell the new product modified for the new customer, basically to the public. This Gantt chart was created to illustrate our goals for our company. As you can see, by the end of year 5, we'd like to have penetrated the second market. As stated previously, we'd like to have our technical development completed by year 1. This can be broken down into the following steps, determined by the number of technical components in our product. This is our value network structure. As indicated by the diagram, we are not involved directly in any of these steps. As a company of primarily engineers, we will do all of the modification, technical design, and managing duties. This would occur before the suppliers get involved at all. Every aspect of the structure will be directly completed by contracted companies or partnering companies. In other words, we will not be manufacturing the product components itself. We will, however, be putting the product together once every component is shipped in. This is our team organization chart. As you can see, all of the current team innovation members are enlisted in blue. Taylor Horn is the CEO, team leader, and chief engineer. Crystal Mike is a VP, team manager, and CAD designer. I, Ren Ishii, am the VP, team spokesperson, and the document editor. And Arlene Villaflor is a VP, team analyst, and systems engineer. Taylor is a current mechanical engineering student. One day he hopes to start his own business venture as he has really had no prior entrepreneurial experience. Universal ID was primarily Mr. Horn's idea, and he has worked very hard as one of the team members. He had participated in the product development, managing anticipated growth of the company, and has also helped formulate long-range strategy for the company's future. Specifically, he has a very good technical expertise, and we believe that this greatly contributes to our team's performance and excellence. Crystal Mike is a current engineering student and has done 4 engineering summer internships, all with NASA, and she wishes to explore the resources here in Arizona. Crystal has been an active member of the Universal ID Group and has helped with designing the product development, overseeing program operations and management, and has helped formulate a long-range strategy for our company's future. She helps Taylor run a successful business by taking care of all of the details that need to get done. Arlene is our team analyst and systems engineer. She is also a current civil engineering student. She has been a very supportive group member for Team Innovations and for the Universal ID Group. She's in charge of taking care of the event coordinations and follow-up, evaluation, and marketing. And she also coordinates marketing activities and creates a testing code for our product. So I am the team spokesperson and the document editor. I'm currently a senior in mechanical engineering, and I have extensive experience in terms of the university research. I've been a part of the Universal ID family from the very beginning, and I work on staying in contact with investors, customers, and suppliers. I also help create and test designs, also recruiting and hiring program designers and overseeing program operations in the future. And we hope that as a team, we will continue to work well together and that we can get this business off the ground. So ideally for our board of directors, we would like to have Steve Jobs. The reason for this is that he brings many connections to the table, as well as insight on our specific product and the market that goes along with it. Hopefully he'll be able to help a great deal with the aesthetics of our product, both the exterior and the software of our device. And again, it's Steve Jobs, so there'll be a huge wow factor with that. So for our board of advisors, we have a couple people in mind. First, Gregory Brown, who's the CEO of Motorola. And we believe that he would give us input on the market. Next is Brian Dunn, who is the CEO of Best Buy, and Greg Steinhoffel, which is, he's the CEO of Target. We are currently in need of marketing advisor, a legal advisor, government advisor, banking advisor, and the manufacturing advisor. Thank you very much for listening to our presentation.